Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. So welcome to my channel if you are new, and so welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. If you are new to my page, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So today, you guys, I am going to be talking about the 5 top reasons of why I miss my loose natural hair. So if that's something you'll be interested in, stay tuned. All right guys, so as most of you who've been following my journey know, that I have been locked for over 2.5 years, and I'm getting to the stage in my lock journey where I'm starting to miss my natural hair. I'm getting the itch to, get my fro back. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you just the top 5 reasons in which I miss my natural hair. So the first thing that I miss about my loose natural hair is the versatility. So with loose natural hair, you can do anything with it. You can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can braid it, you can faux lock it, crochet braids, all of that. And you do have some of those same options when it comes to having locks, especially micro locks, but it's just something a little bit different in being able to do it with loose natural hair, because no matter what you do with your locks, you will still have locks. So you can curl your locks, the locks will still just be curly locks. You can have your locks straight, but they would just be straightened locks. But it's something different about having loose hair. The curls that hit a little bit different, the flat iron that hit, the braids that hit different. It's all different. So I definitely miss the versatility of my natural hair. The second reason why I miss my natural hair is kind of funny, because this is actually one of the reasons why I decided to lock my hair, but it's just the constant detangling. I don't necessarily miss detangling my hair per se, but I do miss being able to run a comb during my hair or a brush through my hair. When you're loose natural, you kind of take for granted just how good your hair feels once you are able to smoothly glide a detangling brush through your hair. It's one of the most satisfying feelings ever, and I'm starting to miss that. The next thing I miss is being able to wear my afro. I miss wearing my big afro or my afro puff. I really do miss that. I love that style. It's just something about having an afro or afro puff that just symbolizes power to me, and I miss that so much. I definitely miss that. The next thing I miss is my curl pattern. I miss looking at the different curls and coils that my natural hair had, because my hair had about 3 different textures throughout. Like, I was mostly 4C, but I have like that soft patch in the back of my hair that has like looser curls, and then I have like a medium patch like on the sides that gives like tighter curls, but not as tight as the ones in the back. And then the rest of my hair is 4C, where it's tight coils. And I miss being able to see the different textures of my hair. Last but not least, and this is probably a controversial one, but I do miss being a product junkie. I really do. With my hair being 4C, I naturally had to become a product junkie, because I had to figure out what was best for my hair. I need the right type of moisturizing product, the right type of holding products and things like that. And it was a period of time where I just went through testing out so many different hair products in order to figure out which one worked better for my hair. And I kind of miss being able to play in my hair and try out different products. Now, I don't miss wasting the money on said products if they turned out not to be good for my hair, but I do miss being able to try different products out on my hair and test it out and see how it makes my hair feel, or see how it makes my hair look, because there's literally no products that I put on my hair. I literally just mist it with water, and then I oil my scalp. That's all. All right guys, that is it for today's video. What are some things that you guys miss about your loose natural hair? Or what are some of the things you're gonna miss about your loose natural hair if you haven't already decided to lock your hair yet? Let me know that down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.